Today I'm reviewing the hammock stand. We bought two of these several years ago. It's been almost 5 years now, and we have these always set up in our backyard. And so I was just doing a quick overview of what this looks like after several years, if you're wondering about the durability. You do see some surface level rust items. We do live in Florida, and so there's a lot of rain that comes and rusts it. But you have these items here where you can have multiple locations for the hammock, and these are stainless steel, so you see that those are not rusting. Perfect sturdiness to have up to 250 pounds if you want on here. And I like the width of these because it keeps anything from falling over. You can swing back and forth and it will keep you in place. And I'll just show you what this looks like with a hammock. Depending on what size of hammock you have multiple holes that you can undo and redo to go down if you need to. The ends have nice little knobby ends, so if you're on a deck or a stone area, then that works fine. You also have these areas back here if you want to take it down, but we just keep it up all year long. So what I like about it is durable. You do show wear and tear, but the fact that it is still holding up and lets us do our evening hammock lounging, it does a really good job.